Welcome to our Live Well, Build Well social cooking session.
So, my name's Katrina. I am the owner of Social Cooking and I will be your chef today. Raf's got a few words to say and then we're going to get into a bit of a cooking challenge.
We're right at the very beginning of something that I hope brings some real value to the construction sector and really stands out. In a way to really demonstrate people that really understand the work and life balance and people that really put their health as their number one asset. So today we're very lucky enough, a big thanks to Katrina and her team to be here at Social Cooking. Yeah, thank you so much.
We'll split you into teams. You will have an hour to cook. We're giving you a recipe, but you need to tweak it and make it your own, okay? One team will be doing a breakfast option, one team will be doing a lunch option, and one team will be doing a dinner option. Team number 1 is Baked Ben and they are doing breakfast. Team number 2 is Death by Chili and they are making lunch. And team number 3 is Full of Beans and they are making dinner. You have 1 hour to cook. Your 1 hour starts now.
Right, easy one. We're going to chat GPT the ingredients. It's going to give us a recipe. Here we go. 20 to 25 minutes.
Live Well, Build Well is about looking after the people who are building the amazing homes of this country. Our champions are people on site, in the office. They lead by sharing what works to improve mental fitness and bringing tools like this to their team. We're here to support each other and keep mental and physical fitness front and center of our lives. Let's get stuck in.
Breakfast burritos, mate. We've got a 4-bean enchilada with some beef.
I don't know what I'm doing.
Chicken tacos.
Ready to watch me lose a finger?
A massive shout out, guys, to Alan Farrar at Diamond Workwear. Thank you so much for the amazing t-shirts that you see on myself and our champions today. Sales of the t-shirts will become available on the Diamond Workwear website and 50% of the proceeds will go to supporting Live Well, Build Well.
Sorry, my bad.
Please start clearing your dirty dishes off your stations. 5 minutes.
We gotta make this look flash, y'all.
Hurry up, folks, it's 2 minutes. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Pretty confident. Walk in the park. Really walk in the park, honestly.
Confident, we're done.
Rain or shine, you show your face.
Feeling kinda anxious, brain doing flips. Made a salad with emotional dips.
You guys all worked as a team. That makes it much harder to choose a winner. All right, well, I hate to say this, but it's been a clean sweep for one team. First for presentation, taste, and love note is Team Baked Ben.